Hello, you beautiful people. Today is another episode of UncleCode Review, and we're gonna go and review another student code and get surprised by amazing things that you can do by learning codings. Hello, Maysam and Ash.
Hello. How
How
are
are
you?
you?
Fine.
Good.
Okay, I wish you guys have done very good coding today after waking up till now, and you plan to do more interesting codings for the rest of the day and the week before we end the year 2021. So, Ash, we're gonna go through one of our students and explain to us who is this student.
All right, so today we are going to cover one of our kid coders in Kidocode.
Yeah.
So Ronia joined in 2018 and now she's 8. So technically she joined in Kidocode way back like around 5-ish years old.
this picture, this picture took by the time that she joined, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, she's not much older. It's much taller as well.
she's much
Yeah.
taller now.
Very special. Hello, Ronia. Good job.
Hello, Ronia. So that's great. Today we're gonna go through your code. We're gonna see what you've done, and we miss you. So let's see what do we have here. So first of all, good job. You kept the name Tom here. I really love it. That's great. Bravo. And then you changed the width. You wanted to make it thicker. Wow, you created a function, and the name of the function is corner. Change the color, and then go forward 50, and then right 90, and then forward 50, and then left 90, and then you started to call the corner. So let's go through. Let's see what is the outcome. Oh my god, I
Oh,
got it! I
nice.
got it! Fantastic!
Very good.
So here, like a stairs, right? You're just gonna go up. So you and now if I just use one of them, let's see. Okay, so you can see that now we can get a better understanding of what is this forward, then right 90, then forward, and then left 90. This left is very important because it make it ready to draw the next one. Look, it remind me Legos, which one Lego has designed to be connected to the other Lego. So each one of these corner looks like a Lego. If you don't do this, let's see what's gonna happen. I think funny things will happen. Not very funny. We just draw some sort of a score. It's really
Yeah.
cool. What if we make it like 45? Let's play.
Oh, I think more
Oh,
interesting.
look at
Very
that.
interesting, right? And then it's interesting. It's interesting what kind of things we can create with this. So I will bring it back to 90. That's nice. That's very nice. You just created stars. Very beautiful. Let's see what I can do here. To do some changes here. Forward and FDRT. I like them. So see here we do have. No, it's right, left. Better to keep it like that. I mean, all good. I mean, I have nothing much to add here. The colors are nice. Maybe you can do this one. Maybe you can write color and then create a list of orange, green, red, and yellow, and then again green. So then colon. So here I'm gonna write down corner, and I'll put the color inside of it. So and then I remove this stuff. So I'm gonna get the same thing here, right? It's better because your code get lesser, and you have more ability to add more colors. This is your code, Ronia. That's great, fantastic, good job. That's my comment for this code. And well down. I want to tell you something, and you should always remember, and you should always go toward this. And that's a very important message that we do have for you, Ronia. You are
Oh.
progress.
Keep it up.
Keep it up.